Welcome to BODi. Let's take a tour of your health esteem platform. To sign in on a web browser, click Log In on the upper right-hand corner. If you're joining from the BODi app, you'll be prompted to sign in after downloading the app. Enter your email address and password, and then press Sign In. After logging in, you'll be directed to the home page. At the top, you'll see 3 tiles for fitness, nutrition, and mindset. These are the 3 main components of your health esteem routine. We'll get to those in just a moment. Just below that, you'll see all the current and upcoming BODi Blocks and Super Blocks, delicious healthy dessert recipes, recommended classes, new and featured content, and more. You can access the same content whether you're on the app or a web browser. The layouts are slightly different. If you're on the app, you'll see icons along the bottom panel. If you're on a web browser, these pages will be listed at the top. Let's explore the fitness, nutrition, and mindset tiles at the top of your homepage. First, click Fitness. Now you'll see all current and upcoming BODi Blocks and Super Blocks and their starting dates. Next, click on the What are BODi Blocks tab to learn more about them. New BODi Blocks and Super Blocks start the first Monday of every month with fresh and exciting workouts you'll love. To learn more about each block, click on the BODi Blocks tab. Scroll or swipe to any of the blocks and click on it to learn more. When you've decided which BODi Block or Super Block you want to do, click or tap Join Now. After you've chosen a block, you can view the Workouts page, where you'll find all your workouts for the week. Click the 3 dots on each workout to see a description of that workout, as well as the equipment you'll need. Once you join a BODi Block, the block will appear on your BODi homepage under Current and Upcoming Blocks with a Joined label. You'll earn a badge for completing all 15 workouts in each BODi Block. Under the Program Materials tab, you'll find a workout calendar and other information like how to start your eating plan. Not ready to join a BODi Block yet? There's so much more to experience on BODi, like thousands of individual classes. Click the BODi icon on the bottom of your app or Classes at the top of a web page. You can start narrowing them down by class type, like cycling, strength, cardio, and more. By clicking on an icon like Cardio, you can see all live and upcoming classes, browse by trainer, music genre, or find programs for your fitness level or available equipment. Click the 3 dots on a class tile and you'll see an overview of that workout, the length, and the equipment you'll need. Want fewer choices? On the Classes page, you'll see a Recommended for You section, or you can look at the daily class schedule for live classes, indicated by a red box with a lightning bolt. All live classes are added to the BODi library shortly after they're filmed, so you can do them anytime. When you're ready to sign up for a live class, click the Sign Up button. When you take a live class, you may have the chance to appear on camera in the podcast, where you can see yourself on the studio wall.
What's up, y'all? Hope you came ready to have some fun.
You might even get a shout-out or form cues from your trainer during class.
So Andrea, keep your chin tucked, spine long. There you go. I know you want to see your beautiful self on the podcast right now. There it is.
If a podcast spot is available, you'll see a Reserve a Spot button when you click on the class tile. Ready for a longer program or want to just check out a different workout? There's so much more to experience on BODi. Click the Programs tab on the top of your screen for web browser and on the bottom of your app, and you'll find all of our proven programs and thousands of workouts for every genre of fitness and every fitness level. Simply scroll down and you'll see new and featured programs and many other categories like workouts under 30 minutes, programs for beginners, programs by specific trainers, and more. Whatever it is you're looking for, you'll find it in Programs. Now, let's take a tour of BODi's nutrition content. Click on the Home button on the app or web page. At the top of the page, click the Nutrition tile. Watch this BODi nutrition video for an overview of your nutrition options. There's 2 healthy eating plans included with your membership, 2B Mindset and Portion Fix, and learn about our other programs geared towards specific needs, like the 4-week gut protocol and 2B Pregnant. Click on the Shakeology tab to learn about our delicious superfood dessert, including key ingredients and benefits. You can also access over 200 shake and dessert recipes in our cookbooks. Let's take a minute to explore the eating plans included with your membership, Portion Fix and 2B Mindset. Click Portion Fix and get started with Fast Track to Fix, a few short videos to learn the plan. You'll also see meal plans and other resources. Click on 2B Mindset and you can learn the basics with a few short videos and find meal plans and other resources for this plan. Not sure which plan is right for you? Take our short quiz. All this food talk making you hungry? Go to All Recipes and you'll find hundreds of 2B Mindset and hundreds of Portion Fix recipes, and new recipes added each month. Let's go back to the homepage to explore the 3rd component of your health esteem routine. Click on Mindset. Your mental health is just as important as your physical health, and that's what Mindset is all about. Check out the Intro to Mindset videos to get started. Scroll down the page to find resources, information about each month's featured expert, and a link to our community group. You get new mindset content every week and every month, all brought to you by top experts in positive psychology, personal development, and motivation. Start your weeks off right with Monday Quick Shift videos, designed to give you a motivation boost and set you up for success. Every Friday, you get a new Think Space video to help you reflect on your wins of the week, hear questions and answers from the Mindset Facebook community, and get you ready for a wonderful weekend. Plus, every month you get new Mindset Masterclasses led by experts in positive psychology, designed to help you ride the ups and downs of life so you can flourish and thrive. Now let's look at the daily activities you can track on the app. Click the tracking button on the bottom of the screen. On a browser, click Tracking at the top of the page. You'll see your daily activity on a button on the left and a My Progress button on the right. Under Daily Activity, you can track your workouts, Shakeology, what you eat for To-Be Mindset or Portion Fix, nutritional supplements, water intake, and results. On the My Progress tab, you can track your weight, goals, and progress photos. Now let's access your account dashboard. Click on the Home button again. In the BODi app, go to the upper left-hand corner and tap on your initials or the photo you've uploaded. If you're on a web browser, it will be on the upper right-hand corner. Click on that and select My Dashboard from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your account page. From here, you can view your profile, view or change your settings, including auto-tracking your workouts, and check out badges that you've earned for completing BODi Blocks, programs, and eating plans. You can even get badges for drinking Shakeology or trying your first beach bar. Commemorate every step along your health esteem journey. And that's the BODi experience. This is your home for everything you need to create your own personal health esteem routine. We can't wait for you to get started.